Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my Christmas tree collar for my pencil Christmas trees. What I used for this project were 2 bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, some hot glue sticks, and my hot glue gun, some material that I picked up from Joann Fabrics that I've actually had for a while. It's a furry gray material, and then just some scissors so that I can cut the fabric. What I did first was measure out the fabric to see how much I needed to cover the bins, and then I made lines down the middle and then cut it, laid the one that I cut first on top of the material, and then just put a line down measuring the second piece that I need and mark that off, and then cut that piece so that I had 2 long strips to cover the bins. I ended up making 2 of the Christmas tree collars, so here I just cut out the first bin, and then I'll show you in the next steps how I cut out the second one. So first I cut off the handles, and then I just cut up the middle of the bend and then cut the bottom piece out of it around in a circle. It was actually pretty easy to cut out. The handles were a little difficult, but then just cutting the plastic bend was pretty easy. Once I did that, I just laid it out on the table and glued the fabric around it. So now I'm just going to show you what I did. It's going to be time lapse, so I hope you enjoy. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on future DIY projects and home decor, shop with me hauls, and eventually event planning. All right, you guys, have a blessed holiday season, and I'll see you next time.